Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, one of the approved Thinkific experts, and this video is all about the Thinkific integrations and App Store. As of May 2021, Thinkific actually moved its integrations area into a full-blown App Store. It is awesome, and there's loads of great stuff in there that you can add to your Thinkific site to basically give it all the features you could possibly need. So to find your integrations area on your Thinkific site, where you can connect things like your email marketing software, your Shopify store, and tracking types of software as well, you're going to go to your main Thinkific dashboard, click on the apps button, and it will take you first of all to a number of areas that have direct integrations with Thinkific. Now, what you have available here will depend on the plan that you're on. This is the Pro Growth plan, where you have access to pretty much everything that's on there. So you can see here you've got everything from adding your Facebook pixel. This is where you just click on settings and you copy and paste your Facebook pixel from your business.facebook dashboard. You can connect your Google Analytics to get tracking data from the people that visit your Thinkific site. So if you go into your Google account, I can show you exactly how to do that. In fact, I will show you right now. Simply go on over to Google Analytics, Google Analytics. It's completely free of charge, and it collects data such as how old your students are, where they live, what countries they're coming from, what their socioeconomic background is, how wealthy they are, what device they're using, their age and gender, and all kinds of other creepy but very incredible data when it comes to marketing and knowing who your audience actually are. Now, the first time you go in here, you will need to first of all create an account. So if you click create an account, set yourself up with your details, your information. Again, remember this is free. And then you're going to want to create a property. A property is a website. So once you press create property, put your Thinkific URL in that property. So it will be your site.thinkific.com, and just follow the prompts. It's very, very straightforward. You'll need to put in your name and address and things like that. And when you've pressed save, it will give you a Google Analytics code. It will begin with the letter U, followed by a number. So grab that code and simply in your Thinkific apps area, click on settings, and you'll see inside here, actually, there's an area where you just simply paste that code in, right? So it's very straightforward to do all of these things. When it sounds quite scary, it's not. If you've got a Shopify store, you're selling products, e-commerce, you can connect that up as well. Wise Bank is a fantastic tool for, again, collecting data and analytics. It tells you what the conversion rates are of your sales pages. It also tells you what the conversion rate is in your industry and whether you are meeting that standard or not, right? So if you've got a conversion rate of 1% and the rest of your industry are getting 5%, it's going to tell you that. So it's very, very cool. Tells you what your lifetime value of your customers are, what your churn rates are, and loads of other cool data. Check out my YouTube channel for Wise Bank in Thinkific. There's a demo there from the co-founder himself. You can connect your active campaign, your discussion panel, MailChimp, and even your Zoom account. So Thinkific does allow you to connect your Zoom to your Thinkific account so that you can deliver live lessons from within your lessons, right? Deliver live tutorials from within your platform itself. Loads of cool things on here that are direct integrations. Now, if you go into the App Store, there are loads of other tools, softwares, apps that basically, just completely power up your Thinkific site. So you can go through here, you can search if you're looking for something in particular. But there really is there are so many different apps here that you can add on that will help combine all of your business together and keep all of your software in one place. So there we go. That is just a brief look at the Thinkific integrations, which is now the App Store, which you can find on your main dashboard under the apps section. Hope that helps. Bye for now.